Hello friends, this is the second video on the uses of to be. In the previous video we talked about the 9 forms: am, is, are, was, were, shall be, will be, being and been. And uh, one should be very careful while writing English or speaking English. This is one of the first lessons one should master while learning English, how to use the forms of to be. Uh, okay, here we begin with some exercises, the forms of to be to create questions. When we write questions, we end questions with question mark. And while in spoken English, questions are identical with the kind of tone, intonation, the falling tone and rising tone we use. Here we are given 5 statements, 5 assertive sentences, and the task here is rewrite the following sentences to create questions by placing the verb to be before the subject. And don't forget to include a question mark in your answer. Uh, and first thing we will do here is there are 5 sentences and we'll find which are the forms of to be here. In the first sentence, the wheels are in the garage. The form of to be is are. Then the sharpener is on my desk. The form of to be is. Sentence 3, the toothbrush and toothpaste are. And next, my bathing suit is. And last, I am in your English class. Am. Once we identify the forms of to be used in the sentences, it is very simple to create yes/no type questions. You just have to put the verb of to be, the form of to be, in the beginning and subject after it. Let us take the first example. In the first sentence, wheels is subject, are is the form of to be, and we will begin our sentence with are and then put the wheels. Are the wheels in the garage? What would be the answer of the first sentence? Yes no type questions. Are the wheels? Are the wheels? And the rest of the sentence ending with question mark. Are the wheels in the garage? Right? Similarly, can you try for the next one? The sharpener is on my desk. Is the sharpener on my desk? Question mark. Then third sentence, the toothbrush and toothpaste are in the bathroom. Yes no type question. Are the toothbrush and toothpaste in the bathroom? And question mark. Next sentence here, my bathing suit is on the clothesline. Is my bathing suit on the clothesline? Question mark. And the last sentence here, I am in your English class. The question will be, am I in your English class? Okay, am I in your English class? As it is written here, am I in your English class? Question mark. Okay, now we practice the form of to be in present tense, how we can use to form questions. Here in the screen, see, in the first column we are given simple statements. How do we begin statements? I am. Then it is reversed here, am I. And we have in the third column the ready yes no type question. Why these type of questions are called yes no type questions? Because they have the answers either yes or no. If we use this first one, am I late? Yes or no. That can be the only two possible answers to yes no type questions. They have got the answers as yes or no, hence they are called yes no type questions. And when questions begin with WH word, they are called WH questions. You know very well. See here, I am. If we reverse it, it becomes am I, and the yes no type question is am I late? Okay, it is very simple. If we say I am late, it is a statement, it is an assertive sentence. Am I late is yes no type question. Then here second, you are. In reverse form, are you? Are you my new boss? Are you my new boss? See? Now, can you make the statement of this sentence? Are you my new boss? Very simple. The process is reverse. You are my new boss. You can make negative of the same also. You are not my new boss. Okay. The third pronoun, third example is he is. Is he your teacher? She is. Is she? Is she your neighbor? It is. Is it expensive? It is. Is it expensive? Then we are. We are. Are we early? And last example here, they are. Are they? Are they in the basement? Thus, we can form questions with the help of the forms of to be. Thank you.